I really didn't care. I needed the money.
And what was so important, Mr. Strelzik? What on earth could justify, in your mind, stealing your company's hard-earned gambling profits?
I was sending the money to Israel to help stop the senseless murder of innocent Jews.
Chambers, Your Honor.
TNT tonight.
You think you're so damn clever.
How does it feel to be the smartest guy in the room?
No badge, no gun. They don't even give me dental.
He'll never tell.
Now you're psychic.
Just paying attention.
Back-to-back episodes of The Mentalist tonight at 8 on TNT. Brought to you by Geico.
Look at all this. Where do we start?
Unpack this one first. It doesn't matter where we are. When I'm here, I'm home.
Surround her with the strength of love's embrace from K Jewelers, the #1 jewelry store in America.
Every kiss begins with K.
Tonight, I choose quit. Because vodka never felt this good.
New whipped cream flavor vodka from Smirnoff.
Nothing melts away the cold like a hot, delicious bowl of chicken noodle soup from Campbell's.
Let it snow, let it snow.
One of the greatest gifts you can give is joy. And giving it to those less fortunate this year has never been easier. Because JCPenney and the Salvation Army have come together to fulfill Christmas wishes for underprivileged kids and seniors in your own community. But we can't do it alone. Join us at jcp.com/angel to help an angel in your neighborhood. JCPenney will ship your gift for free through December 9th or donate online through January 14th. Together, we'll make Christmas wishes come true. JCPenney.
My mom, a teacher, minor arthritis pain. Dad,
truck driver, muscle aches.
3 boys, headaches, different kinds of pain.
Same pain reliever.
Bufferin relieves pain, plus it's formulated to help protect against stomach upset. Bufferin, tough on pain, gentler to your stomach.
When I have dry, itchy winter skin, I count on Cortisone 10 Intensive Healing with the strongest non-prescription itch medicine available for fast relief and 7 moisturizers to help heal skin. So I'm itch-free and worry-free. Cortisone 10.
It's the day before Christmas and the clock is ticking. Zeidman shoppers searching and picking from the biggest selection in all of Motown.
Gotta get there before the sun goes down.
Everyone wins.